Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use a camera. Okay, first, if you don't have a camera, I would go to a market or a store that sells camera. I would go buy a disposable camera. There will be a button on the top. You hit the button, then it captures the picture. It's easy. Yes, it's that easy. Once you capture the picture, there will be a slot of camera, like a side slot. It will contain your picture or film, and you bring it to the store, process the picture. Okay guys, I don't have a camera with me, but I'll be showing you guys on a phone instead. Okay, there should be a button on the top here or here. There should be only one button, and you press the button and it will capture the picture. Okay, and there will be another slot, like a slide slot right here. Or you take the camera and bring it to the store, and they will process your film or picture. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay guys, see ya.